Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. I'm your teacher Bilal Ahmed. This is the summary of today's class. Today we have Sunday. The date was 31 January 2021. So you have the lesson page 48, okay, about paper aeroplanes. So kindly open the page 48 where you can find your lesson paper aeroplanes. Okay, so in this lesson, we learned about meter and centimeters. Okay, today we discussed about the metric system, about when we're gonna use meter and when we're gonna use centimeter. And after we learn about who is the furthest, who is the winner. So you have to find about the distance, okay, which distance is longer. So you have to decide furthest. So here we have two metric system, meter and centimeter. For meter, we use meter for long things, for long things. The things are big, and the centimeters we use for short things. Okay, so this is the metric system we're gonna use in this lesson. So keep in mind 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. Okay, in 1 meter, how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. And 2 meters, it's mean we have 200 centimeters. So try to memorize. Okay, so this is the lesson on the page 48. So you have to find out who is the furthest. Okay, mean who is the winner. Here we have three kids. We have two boys and a girl. So the first boy, Aziz, plane flew 1 meter. Okay, Aziz plane flew 1 meter. And the girl Nasreen's plane flew 3 meters. But the Khalid's plane flew 50 centimeters. So what do you think? Who is the winner? Who is the furthest distance? So they threw different paper planes. So you have to find who is the furthest. 1 meter, Aziz. 3 meter, Nasreen's. Khalid, 50. So who's the winner? As you know, the meter is bigger unit. So 3 meter for Nasreen. So Nasreen is the furthest. Okay, Nasreen Plains is furthest and she will be first. And who will be second? Aziz, because his plane flew 1 meter, but Khalid's plane will be third because 50 centimeter. So Nasreen in this case will be furthest. Now the kids threw the planes again. Okay, so let's find out who is the winner now. So Nasreen's plane flew half a meter. Half a meter means, in 1 meter, how many centimeters? 100. It's mean the half of 100 is 50 centimeter. Okay. Aziz plane flew 1.5 meter. Mean 100, okay, 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. So 150, 150, okay. But Khalid's plane flew 2 meters, mean 200 centimeters. So who will be the winner? Who will be the furthest? Yes, the Khalid's plane because 2 meters. 2 meters mean 200 centimeters. Aziz will be second because 1.5 meters mean 150. But Nasreen's one half a meter, half a meter means 50 centimeter. So in this case, the Khalid plane will be furthest. Okay, let's find out. Let's do more practice about meters and centimeters. Can we read the scale? So here we have the vegetable carrot, and look at the ruler and find the lines. So we put the carrot on this centimeter line. Okay, started from the long line 0, and look at the carrot. How long is it? The carrot is 9 centimeter. Okay, the carrot is small, it's not very long, not very big item, so you're gonna use centimeter. It's 9 centimeter. Okay, how long is carrot? 9 centimeter. And find the total distance. So you have to write the answers on the book. Now find the total distance of given four objects, given item. First we have a guitar. How long is it? It's, what do you think? You have to estimate. Is it 1 centimeter or 1 meter? It's a long item. It's 1 meter. You're right. Okay, we have a long tie. What do you think? It's 90 meter or 90 centimeter? So it's a short thing. You can say 90 centimeter, not 100. Okay, centimeter. So 90 centimeter. Look at the cake. It's not a 1 centimeter. It's a huge cake. You can call it 1 meter. Okay, look at a peanut. So it can be 3 centimeter. Okay, so that will be your homework. Okay, I send the worksheet, and what you're gonna do, let me show you the worksheet. Yes, here is the worksheet. You have to look at the object and look at the ruler. Now you have to find out how long this paper clip, how long this pencil, okay, how long this nail, and here you have to find out, is it 14 centimeter or 14 meter. Okay boys, so this is the today's class. Thank you so much. Take care.